In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code menu for your bar or restaurant. Having a QR code menu is a simple way to let your guests see what you offer, right on their phones without printing and reprinting physical menus. It keeps things clean, easy to update, and it feels modern and professional. In this walkthrough, I'll take you from the very beginning of the process all the way to having a working QR code that your customers can scan at their table. First, you'll want to make sure your menu is ready in a digital format. The easiest option is usually a PDF or a page on your website. Go through your current menu and double-check that all the items, descriptions, and prices are correct, because whatever link you use for the QR code is what your customers will see. If you plan to update your menu often, consider using a page that you can edit later, so you don't have to create a new QR code every time. Once you have your digital menu link, the next step is to create the QR code itself. Open a trusted QR code generator in your browser. Most free tools will have a simple field where you paste the link to your menu. After pasting, look for options to customize your code. You can usually change the color, add a logo, or adjust the design so it matches your bar or restaurant's branding. Keep in mind that contrast is important, so use a dark code on a light background to make it easy to scan. When your QR code looks good, generate it and download it in a high-quality format, like PNG or SVG. Save this file somewhere you can easily find it later. Before you print anything, test the QR code on a couple of different phones. Open your camera app, point it at the code, and make sure it goes straight to your menu, loads quickly, and is easy to read on a mobile screen. Now you're ready to put the QR code in front of your customers. Add it to table tents, coasters, posters, or even your main printed menu. Make sure it's large enough to scan from a comfortable distance, and add a short line of text like, "Scan to view our menu," so guests know exactly what it does. Finally, keep an eye on your digital menu over time. If you change items, prices, or specials, update that same menu link so your QR code always points to the latest version. This way, you get all the benefits of a live, always up-to-date menu without needing to change the QR code again.